Hello. Today we are conducting a welding performance qualification in according with the ASME Section 9, especially targeting to the small bore piping welding. The test involve two test coupon to validate welders qualification range of the piping diameter and thickness as the outlined in the table QW452.3 for the groove weld diameter limits. So there is have two items. So the outside diameter of the test coupon inch or millimeter, and outside diameter qualified in inch and millimeter. Where is minimum and where is maximum. So there is have two test coupon. The less than 1 inch or 25 millimeter. So the outside diameter qualified inch millimeter, minimum size of the welded test, and maximum for the unlimited. For the one is 25 millimeter to the 278 or 733 over than 278 and 733 millimeter. So the outside diameter qualified is 27 by 8 73 millimeter or unlimited size. So general note, type of the number of test coupon required shall be in according with the QW 452.1 and B to 7.8 inch or 73 millimeter outer diameter is equivalent in the NPS 2.5 inch or DN 60.5. Thank you very much.